Welcome back, fellow coding facilitators. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to provide a quick overview of what I recommend for watching all the videos that are below. If you're not watching this on the playlist, make sure you check the description of this particular video, which has a link to a playlist with more example videos of how to use this. I do highly recommend watching these videos in order, and you don't need to watch all of them before you actually get into your projects. So for example, if you are working on project 8, you don't need to watch the project for project 9 until you've actually finished project 8. So you're going to finish watching this video, and then I highly recommend you watching the Getting Started video, and then watching the 4 different ways to move using Scratch, and then the following videos go in order while you are working through this. So hopefully these resources and these videos will be helpful for you with using ScratchJr projects inside of Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.